Hello everyone. Today we are here for Activity 1 Introduction. Myself Aditya Londe. I am from Palus, which is in Sangli district. I have completed my 10th from Kirloskar High School, Kirloskar Wadi, and 12th from MIT Junior College, Pandharpur. Recently, I am pursuing my BTech degree in Civil Engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karad. Currently, I am in second year. My father is also a civil engineer and he is a government servant. When I was a small kid, he used to take me to various construction sites. From there only, I developed my interest in civil engineering. In civil engineering, my favorite topic is transportation engineering. I like playing sports. I like to play cricket and football. I have played various tournaments of cricket and football. Rather than that, I like to read books of current affairs and general knowledge. I also like to doing workout and gym. In future, I want to become a class 1 officer and a good person. That's all from my side. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Sanket Subhash Dadas. I live in Palus in Sangli district. I have been completed my 12th from Lakshmanrao Kirloskar Vidya Mandir and Junior College Palus in Sangli. My father is a teacher at Lakshmanrao Kirloskar Vidya Mandir Palus and my mother is housewife. I have been chosen civil engineering branch because of my interest in constructions and civil services. I love to play cricket and love to read as well. Thank you.
My name is Om Shantakonda Patil. I am from Hasur district, Kolhapur. I have completed my 10th standard from Kolhapur Shri Hanumantrao Chate School and 12th standard from Sangli GA High School. My father is a farmer. My hobbies are playing cricket, kabaddi, trekking. I have chosen the civil branch because civil branch is a creative branch and I like construction site.
Hello everyone, I am Harshal Kokni from Nandurbar district of Maharashtra. Currently I am pursuing BTech in second year of Civil Engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karad. After completing HSC and SSC from DR College of Nandurbar, I am interested in civil engineering, construction sites and structures. So that's why I am pursuing BTech in civil engineering field. Apart from academics, I like to read history books and to watch online documentary. And my area of interest is in music. So that's all about me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Prithviraj Narendra Gaikwad. I live in Karad at Karvenaka, approximately 6 km away from our college, and I completed my 11th and 12th from SGM College Karad and completed my 10th in Palkar High School Karad. There are 4 members in my family, my dad, my mom and my sister. My sister is studying in Shivaji University Kolhapur, the Nanoscience and Technology course. My mother is a homemaker and my father is a teacher. And talking about my hobbies, I like to play badminton, cricket, and also I like to play video games a lot. And sometimes I read books also. And talking about my career goals, that I like to become a successful civil engineer by profession and by knowledge also. And for that I am learning AutoCAD, 3D Max, ANSYS, all that kind of software. And I also enrolled to online courses like town planning, civil management, civil construction, all that like. And I also continuously practicing AutoCAD on my computer, which will help me in future. Also I am in contact with seniors from civil branch which they guide me on each and every step of my doubt, and all of this I am doing for my successful career. That's it. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. First of all, thank you for give me opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Madan Sarjarao Patil. I am from Kolhapur district. I currently live in Bele village in Karvir Tehsil. I did my HSC board in Vivekanand College, Kolhapur. Now I am studying in civil engineering branch in Government College of Engineering, Karad. My big dream is a get job in a civil services through the MPSC and UPSC exams. After completion of my BTech in civil engineering, I I give the MPSC and UPSC exams. India is a big development country in world to my because my new ideas about construction I spent in government sectors to make a better surrounding for citizens and government.
My name is Pawan Lahupawar. I am from Jalna, Maharashtra. So let me tell you about my education. I completed my schooling in Yoganand High School, Pertur. I completed my diploma in civil engineering from Government Polytechnic Jalna. And now here I am complete my BTech in civil engineering from this Government College of Engineering, Karad. And now I want to tell you about my family background. In my family, my father, mother, and brother. My father and mother are farmers, and my brothers studying in 10th class. Mm, Now I want to tell you about my hobbies. My hobbies is learning books, painting, and also 3D modeling, and playing carom. I want to also tell you about my um, career. That is, I want to become a successful civil engineer. For successful civil engineer with profession and technical education. For that, I continue practiced AutoCAD and learning about them in deeply.